In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add tables in WordPress. Tables are great tools for preparing and presenting information to your readers in a logical and visually appealing manner. But WordPress Editor does not provide an option to add a table. Well, lucky for you, in this tutorial I will show you 3 methods you can use to add tables in WordPress. Let's start with the first method, which is creating a table in a Google document and then copying it to our post. I have a Google document opened in a new tab here. To create a table in it, click here on Insert. Then click on Table. Select the number of rows and columns you want and then press Enter. Fill the table with the information you want to add. When you're done, copy the table. Then back in your WordPress dashboard, create a new post. And then just paste the table here. And with that, you have yourself a brand new table ready for publishing. You can create and design a table in online table generators. Then the table's HTML code will be generated. You can then copy and paste the generated table to your WordPress website. To do this, open a new tab, search for Responsive Table Generator, click on the first link. This is the website we will use to create tables. Now here, under Table Options, you can change the number of rows and columns here and make a lot of other customizations. Once you're done, copy this HTML code. Then, back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and click on Add New. Change the editor from visual to text by clicking here. Paste the code here. Now, when we go back to the visual mode, you can see that we have the table here. The methods mentioned above are pretty easy, but they do not offer many advanced features. But you can use a plugin to create attractive and advanced tables easily. To do that, go to Plugins in your dashboard. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Table Press and press Enter. This is the plugin we're looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation process. You can see this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if it's compatible with your version of WordPress. After the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you can see the Table Press icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, then click on Add New Table. Enter a table name here. You can also add a description if you want. And you can change the number of rows and columns here. After you're done, click here on Add Table. Now you are redirected to the Table Edit page. Scroll down to the Table Content section. and enter the details of your table here. After you're done, scroll up and click on Save Changes. Now click here on All Tables. All the tables you create will be here. Now, to add this table to your post, go to the table, then click on Show Short Code. Copy this code. We will paste it in the post we want to add a table in. Now let's create a new post and paste this code in it. Go to Posts and click on Add New. Paste the code here. Now, when you preview this post, you will see the table we created with the plugin. That's it. This is how you can add tables to your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.